The Sunshine Project by Japan Outreach Initiative. Teruterubozu. Thank you for participating in the Sunshine Project, Teruterubozu. I'll explain about Teruterubozu and show you how to make it. What is Teruterubozu? Teruterubozu, which means shine, shine monk in Japanese, is a handmade doll made from tissue, paper, or cloth. It is believed to prevent rain and bring good weather. Many children make it as a craft or make it to wish for a sunny day. It is traditionally hung outside of the house and drawn a face after the good result. However, nowadays many people draw a face when they make it and hang it inside so that it won't get wet and the face won't be blurred. When you hang it inside, you should hang it at the window where you can see the sun. It is the rainy season in Japan right now. The rainy season usually starts in June and lasts until mid-July, so you might have more chances to see Teruterubozu in Japan. Let's make Teruterubozu! What to prepare? You need 5 things to make Teruterubozu. 1. Napkin. You can use tissue or square paper instead of napkin. 2. Tissue. 3. Rubber band. 4. Pen. 5. String. How to make Teruterubozu? Crumple the tissue into a ball. Put the ball on the center of the napkin. Wrap the ball. Tie it with the rubber band under the ball. Draw a face. Tie the string to the rubber band at the back. Done! You can also use cloth. How did it go? Did you enjoy it? Let's hang your Teruterubozu where you can see the sun. Please be careful when you hang it. If it's upside down, it is said that it will bring rain. Please take a picture of your Teruterubozu and send it to the email address below with your name and your home address. The email address is maihira@bgsu.edu. I'll be really happy to see your Teruterubozu, and also you will get a postcard with the picture of your Teruterubozu together with the other participants. So please don't forget to write your home address in the email. I hope Teruterubozu brings sunshine to you all. Thank you. ありがとう。